Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we learn what is functions. Functions are predefined formulas that can be applied directly to perform calculations in Excel. Here is structure of a function. A function in Excel has three parts. Number 1, equal to sign. All functions must start with an equal to sign. Function name. It is the name of the function that helps us to specify the type of operation to be performed on the values. Number 3 is argument. The cell references containing values passed to a functions to be used for calculations are called arguments. Arguments can be numbers or text values. The arguments are always written between opening and closing parentheses as shown below. Here is example. This is equal to sign. This is function name and function name is sum. This is argument and it is written in parentheses. This parenthesis is called opening parenthesis and this is called closing parenthesis. Understand? Here is the table of commonly used functions: sum, average, count, max, min and product. Max mean maximum, min mean minimum and count mean containing. Okay students, thank you.